Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 8th of December 2021. Taking a look at Polymath here. Polymath, very indecisive price action going on here. Really not a lot to read from it other than, at first glance, it looks very bearish. All of the conditions that you would want to see in an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout are present. You have future span A below future span B. You have the Tenkan-sen below the Kijun-sen. You have the close below the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen. You have the close below the cloud. And you have clothes below the cloud. Close below the cloud. Tongue twister. And then you have the Chigu span is below the candlesticks and an open space, meaning that it will not intercept any candlestick bodies over the next 5 to 10 periods at its present traded value, present price level. And then you do get into some of these like hidden things that say, is it though that bearish? I mean, it's in between the two oversold levels, in a bear market on the RSI or bull market in the RSI at 50 and 40. So that's good. But I think you get a pretty good idea of what might happen on this chart if you look at it from a point and figure perspective. So this is the 1 cent 3-box reversal chart for Polymath. And what we're looking at here is an entry, is an entry at 62 cents, a profit target at 80 cents, and a stop loss down at 58 cents. Now, the entry here is based on the breakout of a double top, but the double top is not the primary reason for the entry. The primary reason for the entry is based on a pattern known as a bearish fake out. That occurs when you have a multiple bottom, in this case, a double bottom, followed by a movement below that, a breakout, a sell signal of 2 boxes, and no more than 2 boxes. So when it moves down 1 box, a second box, and then reverses, and if this current column of X's moves up to create that double top and then finally hits the entry, that is the bearish fake out. But here's the caveat. It is only a bearish fake out setup if the current column of X's creates the entry. If it doesn't, the trade is not valid, it doesn't count, and then we'd be looking at something very different. So again, the entry is based on having the current column of X's move up to the 62 cent level entry, and then that would initiate the trade with the stop loss down at 58 cents and the target up at 80 cents. Thank you for watching. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.